Hi friends, let me show you my new dog stairs, portable dog stairs. They come with some instructions. You get the actual stairs, the cover that you can wash, of course, and this lint roller as another accessory. Great. These stairs are very good if you have small dogs or old dogs, dogs that need help to get up, I don't know, in a couch, in a whatever, in your bed, whatever you want and allow them to be, okay? So well, these are the stairs. They come like really packed, and this is the cover. It's fire. We got a beige, brown one that matches our furniture. You'll see. Okay. Well, let's put it together. Perfect. You have these ones to carry it with you, or, well, you could put the ring. You could put the lint roller there. So, well, you will use it like this. Come on. Let me know. Okay?